Hi, I'm Kim Harlington with Coldwell Banker's Team Harlington, and today I'm going to show you a home that passes all my strictest tests for a home. So how do you judge a home? I have a simple test. Would I live here? The answer on this home is absolutely yes. It's got great design with its open, inviting floor plan. It's got luxury, barely a decade old, and it's just had a kitchen refresh with luxurious center island, quartz countertops and backsplashes, Bosch and KitchenAid appliances, and new pendants and hardware. And it's got quality. It's been meticulously maintained and upgraded. It has engineered hardwoods, new carpet, a security system, a whole house sound system, and front and backyard sprinklers. Plus, bonus, it's wired for a hot tub. It's got location, walking distance to Lake Tapps and to Allen York Waterfront Park, one of the most popular in the area. And finally, it's got schools, the highly desirable Sumner Bonnie Lake School District. Those tick off all my requirements for a home. The weather may not have fully cooperated today for this shoot, but I think you'll admit that not even a bit of snow can overcome this home's desirability and show why it passes my toughest tests.